Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am super excited about today's video, and stick around because I think you're going to be really excited to see what's in store. Today we're going to be doing some goat maintenance. We have our Kiko goats out in the field and they are in an electric fence, so we have to move that occasionally. So that's today. We're going to be doing that. We're also going to be doing something different, and when I say we, I mean Jeremy, because I'm not going to be doing this. We need to teach our buck, our Kiko buck, a little bit of dominance, a little bit of who's boss around here, because he definitely thinks he is the boss. So some people had suggested, some comments were left about flipping your goat. I had never heard of this before. So that's what we decided to do, take you guys up on that advice, and Jeremy is going to try to flip Lloyd today. So let's head up there and see how this goes. So he's grabbing the tractor, the zero turn. We call it our tractor because we don't have a tractor. It's the closest thing we have to a tractor. So he's going to grab that so that he can mow out some space because the grass is pretty long out there. And if it's too long, the fence shorts out and then we don't have goats inside the fence, we have them outside the fence. So nobody wants that, especially our neighbors. So he's grabbing that, and I'm gonna start walking up that way. All the kids are inside right now watching a show. A couple of them are asleep. So the challenging thing about that is I get pulled to and from. So hopefully I get to stay out here long enough to see him flip this goat, because I can't imagine how this is gonna look. Lloyd is a giant. He is a beast, and you all have seen him on the past videos. He definitely thinks he's in charge of this place. So it'll be really interesting to see if he can even get close enough to him to flip him on his back. If he can't flip him on his back, will he be able to keep him on his back? He also mentioned that it would be best if all of us could sort of stand over him when he is on his back, so he understands that we all have dominance over him. I've noticed when we have new people here and we're taking them on a farm tour, he really gets amped up when new people are around him, and that's when he starts to act his jerkiest. So I could totally see the reasoning behind having all of us be up there instead of just having Jeremy be the dominant one. I just think this is going to be hilarious. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. All right, he's on his way up. I see he picked up a hitchhiker, so I think he's got a jetty with him.
All right, you ready for this?
I am so ready for this. I can't wait to see how this goes.
I'm a little nervous. We should have been doing this from day one.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it's not too late.
Yeah.
Because we have to do something.
We got to do something.
We have to at least try.
Someone's going to get hurt either today or in the future. And I think I'd rather get hurt now trying to flip him. But the thing is that I have to win today. I have to win, or he will definitely think he's in charge. So what's your game plan? Well, at first, right now, I'm going to mow a new lane for the net. First off, I'm going to get everyone in the paddock, mow the new lane, and then before I release him, I'm gonna flip him. I'm gonna flip him, and then I'm gonna look at everyone's hoofs.
Okay.
But that's the game plan.
Did you eat your Wheaties?
Yeah, I ate some Wheaties. I'm a little nervous, actually. Like, I'm not that I'm intimidated by him, but I kind of am, because I guess he is in charge of me, now that I say that. I guess I'm more afraid of... So, what I'm afraid of would be getting gorged by his horns or booted in the face. So, even if that happens, I got to keep going, because he cannot win. So, let's go.
Maybe we should have brought up a first aid kit. So you just put them all in the pen just so you can move the fence, right? You're just going to move the fence first?
Yeah, this is just to move the fence.
Okay, so we have a little temporary... That's much nicer than trying to catch them all at the end. Usually they just get to free range out here in the pasture, and then we have to go catch them all or lure them in with a bucket of feed, which works about 90% of the time, but there's always that unruly goat. It's always pretty amazing to see how good of a job these goats do at clearing out the piece of land that they're on. So you can see just beyond the fence there just how much taller it is, how much thicker it is, and they really just mow it right on down for you.
Alright, so now's the time. I gotta flip this guy, but before I do that, I'm actually gonna practice on this year's buck, this little one right here. I ended up watching the video, packgoat.com. I'll actually leave a link to the video. It was a good video how to do it. He actually shows doing it with a little goat and then a big goat. The issue that I'm gonna have is the goats that he used, he's done it before since they were kids. Lloyd, I haven't done it, so it's gonna be interesting. Like I said before, I gotta win, so I gotta do it. If I can't get it, I'll get Chris up here and we'll team it up. But let's practice on this little one first.
You got feed in there?
Yep.
Dad.
If I can catch him, I might just go for it.
Grab the bull by the horns.
Grab this, please.
Mommy, deactivate. Mom, I'm gonna deactivate.
All right.
You did?
Yeah. Mom, this
You got this, babe. You got this.
I really want to turn into a goat. How this goat is, Todd.
Oh. He's just gonna let you do it.
Todd, go. Watch this. Watch this. He's gonna do it.
You did it! You flipped Lloyd.
Now keep him flipped.
No.
What?
Is that what you're supposed to
I'm
do?
supposed to say no. That's what it said in the video.
Todd, go.
No.
But I gotta wait till he's sort of like
Relaxes.
relaxed.
Todd, go.
He looks really different from this angle.
Go.
Like he is dead, staring me in the eyes. How the guy said in the video is just stand next to him and like over his face. He's not really relaxed. Like look how tense he is.
Well, how is he supposed to relax?
I don't know. They just make sure he doesn't
I think
kick
that's
me.
about as relaxed as he can get.
I mean, his horns are sort of he can't really turn his head, but I wish I had your my hoof.
I know. You didn't bring him up?
No. So now I guess I'm supposed to, when I let him up, sort of like try to hug him.
This just gets funnier and funnier.
Well, he's actually getting a little irritated about the kids. Come and stand like right next.
If anybody wants to be dominant over Lloyd, stand over him.
What do you mean?
Hey, come here. You're fine. He's not going anywhere. Stand over him like this, over his face.
Over his face.
So he knows you're dominant.
Ow!
Go right over him. I got him.
I want to do it. Daddy, I want to do it. Ellie, be behind you. We want to see you. Daddy, I want to do it.
Well, we'll each get a turn
Ellie, be
here.
behind you. We want
Cool. Who's next? Jed? Adriana, why don't you get over here too?
scared. I'm scared. But not too scared.
I'm the boss. He looks so nice like this.
Well, this is going to be
He's so big though.
Let's come up here. We'll see how it's good.
All right. Anyone else? Ellie?
Ellie?
I'm gonna flip him back.
No,
right, hold on.
You should get up.
Okay. Go ahead. Alright.
I guess he doesn't want me to hug him. What if I should try to flip him over again?
Okay. Just a second. don't know.
Oh no.
No.
Maybe now you should flip him again. Grab him and flip him again. Professional. It's like you've done this before.
You pretty much have to just like embarrass him.
No.
No.
Dad, go.
Say it in goat language.
That's a cow.
No.
So,
Here's the key. Here's the key.
we're gonna have to do that more, but that's a start.
That was better.
Do it on a little kid. But do it on that one. That book.
Yeah.
Do it on that book.
Watch your back.
We
He just stuck his tongue out at you.
Here, this book right here.
We have 2 bucks.
Do you have the food? Do you have the food?
So we have 2 bucks.
I think it worked. Do you think it worked? Daddy's coming.
So we should have been doing this to Lloyd as soon as we got him. Almost like every time we come up here, we should have been doing it.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's working, so maybe it wasn't too late.
Yummy. The goat smelling you.
See, look.
Shut it off.
Scratch my belly.
Well, to be honest, it's probably already submissive to Lloyd.
Yeah.
Now
Aww. That's kind of sad. Cool. Good job.
That book.
man, that went awesome. I definitely thought it would have been a lot more of a fight. However, I was able to get Lloyd over on the first try, and right now he seems a little calm. I think doing it in front of the does actually helped out even more. That was awesome. I'm really excited. I'm gonna be doing that a little bit more, probably once every time I come up here, or every other. I want to be able to, I want him to know who's in charge, and that's us. As you guys saw, I had everyone stand over him because I don't want one of the boys to come up here and he thinks he can boss them around, headbutt them, or intimidate them, because we are in charge. We are the farmer, and we are head of the herd. So it's important that you do the same to your animals as well. That was the first time I've ever done that, and like I said, should have done that from day one. It's good to know if we ever get another buck in the future.
So I was up here with my friend Cyrus, and we were headbutting. These sticks fell down from trees, and we were playing with the sticks, and he ran after me and headbutted me in the chest, and ran out of it.
Hit the fence, and it hit you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A whack.
Yeah, we can't have that. I don't want these guys to get hurt. If Lloyd would headbutt them, hit him in the head, man, that could be some serious issues. Same with me. So it's good to take care of it now and put an end to it. Well guys, I really appreciate you tuning into this video. Go check out patgoats.com. I'll leave a card at the end of this video. He's the one that I watched to learn to flip a goat. He did it very easily. It worked really good for me. I'm sure it's gonna work good for you guys. But it looks like Lloyd's calmed down a little bit. He looks a little whooped. So that's good to see. Because, I mean, look usually he would be headbutting right now. So that's awesome. Hey guys, let's not tease him though. Again, go check out patgoats.com. I'll leave a link at the end of this video. I watched him. To be honest, it's the only video I've watched of him. However, it was awesome. It was very detailed. It was a good video to teach you how to flip a goat. go check it out. I'll actually leave a link down in the description to the actual video. Well guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please guys, hit that subscribe button. We are almost at 4,000 subscribers. That is awesome, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And please don't be afraid, again, leave some comments, all right? And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Hit that subscribe button!